Hello students, Pragati Education, heartily welcome all of you. So dear students, now we are going to learn a very interesting chapter for English grammar, that is omission of articles. Omission of articles. In other words, we are going to learn a chapter from article, that is when not to use articles. When not to use articles. All of us know that there are three types of articles in English: a, and the. When a and n are the indefinite articles, the is the definite articles. Articles के बारे में तो हमको बहुत कुछ पता है. Already we have learned so many things about articles. Now we are going to learn when not to use articles. It means आज हमको सीखना है, अभी हमको सीखना है कि आर्टिकल्स का यूज कहां पर नहीं करना है. When not to use article. तो let us start our video now. Number 1. Abstract noun that don't take any article before them. Number 1. Abstract noun that don't take any article before them. For example, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. An example second, health is wealth. Health is wealth. Here, honesty and health both are abstract nouns, and hence they do not take any article before them. Honesty is the best policy. No article before it. Health is wealth. No article before health. So in this way, abstract noun, they do not take any articles before them. But remember, in some cases, they might take article. For example, हम एक एग्जाम्पल देने जा रहे हैं. It is the happiness of the poor. It is the happiness of the poor which attracted Mother Teresa to work for the poor throughout his life. Here, happiness has an article before it, the happiness of the poor. So you can ask here, why so? Abstract noun के आगे तो आर्टिकल नहीं लगता, तो ये कैसे? इसका अर्थ है, here happiness has been specified. The abstract noun happiness has been specified. कोई एक स्पेसिफिक ग्रुप का हैप्पीनेस के बारे में बताया गया है. So that is why here the has been used, the article the has been used before happiness. So in such cases, when an abstract noun has been specified, only in that cases we can use abstract noun, unless when it is in general use, they do not take any articles. Then let us know the second point, material noun. Just like abstract noun, material noun also, they do not take any articles. For example, air and water are two free gifts of nature. Air and water are two free gifts of nature. Here, air, water, both are material nouns, and hence they do not take any articles before them. But remember, when a material noun is specified, in that case also we can use a article. We can take an example. The air of the hillside is cool and refreshing. The air in the hillside is cool and refreshing. Here, air का आगे द लगा है. क्यों? क्योंकि here air has been specified. The air of the hillsides. That is why in this case we have used the definite article the. So when material noun it has been specified, in that case only we can use article, unless for general use we need not use any article before a material noun. Number 3. Some nouns when used in general sense, they do not need any article before them. For example, man is mortal. Man is mortal. Second example, women are in no way inferior to men. Women are in no way inferior to men. Here men and women, they have been used in general sense. That is why they did not take any article before them. Number 4. So words like lunch, dinner, tea. So nouns like lunch, dinner, tea, they do not take any article before them. लंच, डिनर, टी जैसे नाउन्स का आगे कोई भी आर्टिकल का जरूरत नहीं होता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही इन्वाइटेड मी टू डिनर. ही इन्वाइटेड मी टू डिनर. हियर टू डिनर, डिनर का आगे कोई भी आर्टिकल नहीं. ऐसे सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल यू कैन टेक द मैच रिज्यूम्ड आफ्टर टी. द मैच रिज्यूम्ड आफ्टर टी. तो टी का आगे इधर भी कोई आर्टिकल नहीं. सो इन दिस वे सम नाउन्स व्हेन दे आर यूज्ड दे डू नॉट टेक एनी आर्टिकल. देन number 5, some nouns that goes in pair. For example, father and son, brother and sister, bread and butter. So some nouns which goes in pair, when they are used in sentences also, they do not take any article before them. We can take an example. Mohit and Lalita are brother and sister. Mohit and Lalita are brother and sister. Here brother and sister, उसका आगे कोई भी आर्टिकल की जरूरत नहीं. Second example, bread and butter. Bread and butter is a delicious food item. So here also bread and butter का आगे कोई भी आर्टिकल की जरूरत नहीं. So ऐसे in this way some nouns when they goes in pair, they do not take any article before them. Number 6, some expression like kind of, sort of or type of, they do not take any article. Kind of, sort of, type of, they do not take any article. We can take an example. What kind of behavior is this? What kind of behavior is this? Here what kind of, उसका आगे कोई भी आर्टिकल नहीं. सो काइंड ऑफ का आगे कोई भी आर्टिकल यहां का यूज नहीं हुआ है. Another example, what sort of man your uncle is? What sort of man your uncle is? Here also sort of का आगे कोई आर्टिकल नहीं, जरूरत नहीं. What type of game do you like most? What type of game do you like most? In this case also there is no use of particle. So expression like kind of, sort of or type of, they do not take any article before them. Number 7, there are some places which are meant for some special purpose. They are meant for some primary purpose, जैसे school, college, church, hospital. School is primarily meant for study or learning, church for worship, hospital for treatment of the patient. So in these cases, when students goes to school, he is going for his primary purpose, that is for study or learning. So in this case also we need not use any article. For example, the boys goes to school. The boys goes to school at 10 a.m. daily or 10 a.m. regularly. So here goes to school. स्कूल का आगे कोई भी आर्टिकल नहीं, बिकॉज हियर स्कूल, दैट इज द प्राइमरी पर्पस ऑफ गोइंग स्कूल इज फॉर लर्निंग. सो इन दिस केस नो नीड ऑफ आर्टिकल. बट व्हेन वी से माय फादर वेंट टू द स्कूल टू मीट द प्रिंसिपल, माय फादर वेंट टू स्कूल, इट इज a wrong expression, because my father went to the school to meet the principal, not for the primary purpose. That is another purpose, to meet the principal. So in this case, when the boys they goes to school there is no need of article. But when my father went to the school. So in this case, we need an article. So in this case, we can take another example. The patient went to hospital. The patient went to hospital for his treatment. Went to hospital. No need of article. But I went to the hospital to visit one of my friend. I went to the hospital to visit one of my friend. पहले सेंटेंस में पेशेंट जा रहे हैं हॉस्पिटल फॉर द प्राइमरी पर्पस, नो नीड ऑफ आर्टिकल इज रिक्वायर्ड. बट इन सेकेंड सेंटेंस, आई वेंट टू द हॉस्पिटल व्हाई? टू विजिट माई फ्रेंड हु इज अंडर ट्रीटमेंट. सो इन दिस केस, इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस we need an article, whereas in the first sentence there is no need of article. So dear students, so in this way, in some sentences we did not use any article, and if we are using an article, they are said to be grammatically incorrect. तो हमको उम्मीद है ये सब तुमको जरूर तुम्हारे समझ में आया होगा. तो आज के लिए इतना. हम बहुत जल्दी ही इसके ऊपर एक्सरसाइज लेकर बैक कर रहे हैं. आज के लिए इतना. अभी के लिए थैंक यू.